Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply jobs in Amazon warehouse in UK. So all you have to do is head over to uk.indeed.com and right off the bat, we can search for job title. Just type in Amazon warehouse. Next is just select or enter city or postcode. Say for example, we're going to look for UK, then just click on find jobs. And from here, you can scroll to various job listings that you can choose from. Just select the specific job posting that you want to apply. Say this warehouse operative, for example. Just click on it and from here, you can view job details, the job type, shift and schedule, location, benefits, and read the full job description. And if you want to apply for this position, just click on Apply Now. To proceed with your application, you're going to need to sign in or create an account in Indeed. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!